Behind every top-performing AIs, there's a story most investors never hear about of bold bets, boardroom crashes, market crashes, and make and break moments. Welcome to our new series, AIF Big Buzz, and we begin with none other than Blackstone, the global titan that turned alternative investment into a mainstream asset class. When Stephen Schwarzman started Blackstone in 1985, alternative investment funds weren't popular. Convincing people to lock in money for years without liquidity was a tough sell, something AIs in India still struggle with today. Back then, Schwarzman wasn't selling return, he was selling belief. But the biggest challenge wasn't from market, it came from within. Schwarzman had brought in Larry Fink, a bond market expert, to lead Blackstone's fixed income business. But soon their vision clashed. Schwarzman was all in on private equity and structured deal, while Fink wanted to grow public bond business. Risk appetite didn't match. The fallout was inevitable. Larry Fink left, and that gave birth to BlackRock, today the world's biggest asset manager. And ironically, both firms stand on opposite sides. BlackRock rules the public market and mutual fund world, while Blackstone leads the private market and AI-style strategies. Even in recent years, Blackstone had faced serious pressure. Redemption limits in its real estate investment trust, China's real estate crisis, and rising global interest rates have tested the firm's resilience. Deal making slowed down, some portfolios faced heat, and exits were delayed. But Blackstone's real edge lies in its ability to adapt, launching tactical funds, leveraging technology, and constantly finding new ways to generate alpha in complex markets. So yes, Blackstone's journey wasn't linear. It was built on navigating illiquidity, regulation, investor skepticism, and macro shocks, the very challenge AIFs in India are starting to face today. But the big takeaway in a world of alternative, resilience is the real alpha.